everybody, my name is Danielle Warren and I'm so excited to bring to you today a room tour and review of the Element Hotel in Scottsdale, Arizona, in the Phoenix, Arizona area. If you are into travel, lifestyle, fun experiences, hotel reviews, lots of travel tips and tricks, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. If you are looking to travel to the Phoenix area anytime soon and you're looking for a place to stay, then stick around and I'll show you a little bit about this hotel, the amenities, features, and a quick review, as well as a room tour of a king suite. All right, let's go. The Element is on the east side of the Phoenix area. It is located very close to the Desert Botanical Garden, so if you plan to visit that, it's very, very close. Scottsdale has a lot of restaurants, coffee shops, all kinds of different things to do and see. Element is part of the Marriott Bonvoy program. If you're part of their rewards program, it is part of the Marriott. They also offer AAA discounts. So if you're a AAA member, make sure you have your number and you can actually get a little bit of a discount on your room. The one room king suite has a king size bed and a pull-out couch, so it sleeps 4 comfortably. It has a full kitchen with full-size fridge, dishwasher, stove, sink. The kitchen sink also has a filter for water, so it has one knob that is just the regular water and a separate knob that is filtered water, which is a great feature in my opinion. The kitchen includes dishes and cookware, you know, a lot of things that you would need: bottle opener, wine opener, sharp knives, cutting board, all of that stuff. They do provide you with a new clean sponge, which I think is super, that's a big deal to me. Like I don't want to use a sponge somebody else used on their dishes. I want a new one. So they do have a sponge and dish soap and a full-size dishwasher, a full-size refrigerator and freezer. Also a little 1-serving coffee pot with coffee and half and all of those, you know, tea and stuff like that. The bathroom does have a blow dryer. They have conditioning shampoo and a body wash and bar soap, but if you do want a separate conditioner, you're gonna want to make sure that you have that with you. I always bring it because I definitely always want a separate conditioner for my hair, so I always bring my own hair products anyway, but I feel like that's something that's important to know. Sometimes hotels will have conditioner, but this one does not. The room also has a lot of storage space. There's a lot of empty drawers, a large closet where you could put a cooler, several suitcases if you wanted to store empty suitcases in there. There's plenty of room for storage, some high up cabinet storage as well. There's a luggage rack as well as a large bench where you can fit 2 suitcases if you don't really feel like you need to have more sitting room. There's lots of places to put bags. There's also a bar area with 2 bar stools as well. In the bedroom as well, there's a lot of outlets, which I feel is very important to have a lot of outlets for plugging in things. Lots of places to plug in all of your devices, and there's also a flat screen TV with, I believe, a lot of channels and Netflix and all kinds of stuff. There's also a desk and chair, several trash cans. Part of the floor is carpeted, but a lot of it is kind of that like laminate wood. Tile in the bathroom and a laminate wood through the kitchen area, and then carpet around the bed area. There are blackout blinds, which is super important to me because the sun is very strong here and you can get woken up by it in the morning if you don't have those blackout blinds. So if you want a really good night's sleep and you don't want to be woken up early in the morning, go ahead and use those blackout blinds. A couple of features of the hotel in general that I feel like are really great to know. They do have a 24-hour self-serve laundry facility downstairs connected to the main lobby, and it's $2.50 per load. So $2.50 for the washer, $2.50 for the dryer. It does require quarters, so make sure you have quarters or you can get change. They do offer individual packs of laundry detergent and fabric softener, and it's $2 for enough for one load if you need that, or you can bring your own. There's a 24-hour workout facility that's very nice, a lot of different machines and free weight. It also has a nice window in there where you can see the pool area. The hotel does offer complimentary breakfast from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. during the weekdays and 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on weekends. It's a very, very nice complimentary breakfast, not just like cereal and muffins and fruit. I mean, and it does have that, but they do overnight oats, which are phenomenal. They were so good. They do make made-to-order eggs as well. In fact, they were making today, it's not every day, but they do make breakfast burritos sometimes, or scrambled eggs. There was oatmeal, a yogurt bar, lots of cereal, muffins, cereal bars, bagels, toast. They had peanut butter and jelly, via tea. They even had for your coffee, not only just like half and half, but they also had oat milk. So it's very friendly to people with a lot of different dietary restrictions, or if you don't like to have dairy, they did have other options. Again, can't say enough about the complimentary breakfast. The coffee also, generally like coffee at a hotel is like watered down, doesn't have a lot of flavor, not really much to it. I'll drink it just to have some, but I won't drink a whole lot because I just don't enjoy it. The coffee here was fabulous. It was strong like I like it. It had a good flavor. I'm really picky about coffee, so that's a very high compliment for me to really like the coffee. In fact, I told the lady here that was in the breakfast area, I was like, whoever made the coffee, it was phenomenal. So, you know, keep up the good work. So back to the basic hotel amenities and all that's included. They do have an outdoor pool. It's a nice outdoor pool. I believe it goes to 5 feet and the shallow area is like 3.5 feet. No hot tub, but you don't really want a hot tub here because it's so hot. And then there are some really nice chairs and some umbrellas and little tables as well out there. There's also a separate outdoor lounge. So there's a really nice outdoor lounge. I don't believe it's shaded, but it's very nice. The lobby is also very, very nice. It has a lot of coffee table books and things you can read. There's a really nice flat screen TV in there that they had playing the news, and a lot of nice little places to sit and couches. The breakfast area was separate from that as well. And then they do have a bar that is open from 5 to 10 p.m. every day. They do have self-parking here, but it is $12 per night. So that's important to know that it will be an additional fee on top of how much you pay for the hotel. In the lobby, there's coffee, tea, and water service all day long. This hotel, just overall review, really a phenomenal place to stay, a great location, a reasonable price for what you get. And if you're in part of the rewards program, that's also a benefit as well. The king size bed is incredibly comfortable. The pillows were comfortable. I just kind of sunk into the bed in a good way. And it has like a pillow top or something on it. It was very comfortable mattress. I had probably the best night's sleep I've had on my vacation so far here. Air conditioning was great. The whole hotel, they keep it so clean. They are constantly cleaning it. I mean, constantly wiping things down, cleaning the floors. It's like spotless. It's really, really beautiful. The amenities here are very nice. The pool is kept very clean. The pool area is very clean. It's close to a lot of places, coffee shops, restaurants, so it's in a good location. Also close to the Desert Botanical Gardens, which we went to and thoroughly enjoyed. Let me know what you thought about this review in the comments. If this was helpful for you as your vacation planning, I would love for you to like it. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you're into travel and hotel reviews, theme parks, and fun experiences for you and your family. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.